Hello, Myths and Legends students. We will be working with a new tool this quarter called MackinVIA. And MackinVIA is free access to an online library that includes ebooks, databases, and current event articles. The first thing that you need to do to access MackinVIA is to use the link that you'll find in the Week 1 folder. It's mnohs.mackinvia.com, so minnows.mackinvia.com. When you access MackinVIA, make sure that you are logged into your Microsoft 365 account through Minnows. In other words, make sure you are logged into your Minnows email. And then when this opens up, you should see the dashboard that says Welcome to MackinVIA. And then if you look in the upper right-hand corner, it should say Welcome and say your name. For weeks 1 and 2 in Myths and Legends, we are going to be working with a book titled Atlantis. To make it easier for you to find this, I want you to add the book to your backpack. To find the book, go into the search bar over here. You can either search under title or keyword and type in Atlantis. And it's this book right here, this first one, Atlantis by Ken Karst. Now, you can see I've already added mine to a favorite. You can toggle back and forth. Make sure you have it added to your favorites. And then every time that you log into MackinVIA, it will be in your backpack. So you can click under Backpack, go to the drop-down menu, click on Favorites, and there it is. So that'll save you from having to search for the book each time that you log in. So let's take a look at the few things you can do once you begin reading this book. So click on Read Now, and the book will show up. So this is what the book looks like. To page through the book, you can either use the scroll option on your mouse, or you can click way over on the margins. So this goes forward. If you click on the left margin, it will go back. To see other options, click directly on the book, and you'll see this menu bar pop up from the bottom. The play button here is the audio option. If you enjoy listening to the book being read, please use that. This icon here that looks like an open book will switch between a 2-page view, like we see right now, and just a 1-page view. And you can go back and forth between the two. And then we have the magnifying glass. You can make it bigger and you can make it smaller. And to make this toolbar disappear, just click on the book again and you're all set to start reading. You can also bookmark. So if you start reading and you get called away, you can bookmark and it will save your progress. So the next time that you log in, you'll be able to pick up where you left off. If you have any questions or you need help with using MackinVIA, please contact me and I can help you out. But I hope that you enjoy using this new resource.